Okay, now what I'm working on the Pontiac is the flywheel. I had the clutch sent out and redone, and now I'm going to machine the flywheel. And this is a step flywheel. So this is where the clutch disc rides. There's a little lip here. Okay, but that's not really the step. The step is here. So the pressure plate, see the bolt holes? Okay, the pressure plate bolts here. So the dimension from here to here is critical, because if I screw that up by a great number, the clutch isn't going to work right. So we're going to use our handy dandy depth mic, and we're going to measure what it was before I started. And actually, I already called this measurement into the clutch place. Our friends at South Bend Clutch in Indiana, they're super. So they set the clutch up for 1 inch 180. Now I'm at like 177. Yeah. So I had them set up for 1 inch 180. And we'll go ahead and get started machining this. And then I'm going to machine this first so it's flat. And then I'll machine this outer lip here until we get our dimensions, so we make sure our clutch works. Okay, I've got our flywheel all set up on our Norman FG1000 grinder. We're going to take a light cut here and see how well this thing cleans up. We'll fire up the machine here. Down a little bit till we start to touch. Touch on the inside a little bit. Okay, not bad. Right here, we gotta get out to here yet. Cleaning pretty good. Something you don't do much anymore. Nothing stick shift. So this machine got a huge workout back in the 90s when we first bought it, but now it doesn't get used much because you don't do a lot of stuff with standard transmission. So, but it's still a good, viable tool. Do jobs like this, it's nice feeling you do them right. Obviously, we offer this service. Yeah, I'll finish her up here. Okay, I got our main disc surface all ground up, come out nice. So we'll go ahead and fire up our machine. Put a little coolant on there. So I've got the machine set up to cut the outer edge. So this is a slow process because obviously if I take too much off, I've got to cut the main surface. So we'll take a little bit off here and we'll stop it and we'll check, see where she goes.